Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my ProfitPad review video. In this video, I'm going to go over what is ProfitPad, in terms of the claims. I'm going to show you the course, the actual app, the working app online, and also my bonuses. So let me go into the bonuses first to get that out the way. Now, if you decide to purchase ProfitPad through my link, you're going to get 36 additional courses. That's over $16,000 worth of internet marketing courses. The first one is the Viral Traffic Blast, shows you how to go viral with any type of link. Social media marketing, these are all video courses. Lead generation, marketing automation, Pinterest, great place to make money. How to rank on the first page of Google with SEO, Facebook ad secrets, Google AdSense profit tips and tricks. Everyone should have some type of Google AdSense going. TikTok, so Instagram, the list goes on and on, folks. 36 courses here. You get them all for free, even though they're still online. If you were to purchase them online, you would pay over $16,000. So excellent bonus package. And the actual page, it says here, it makes us $1,866 plus daily passively. Here's how you can replicate our success with 3 simple clicks. Now, first of all, I would ignore this $1,800. That's not really realistic starting out, even though it can make you $50, $100, $200, $300 a day. So let me show you how it can do that. This is the best case scenario, $1,800, but I wouldn't look for making that when you're starting out. So let's get that clear. This is the actual website that you will be getting here. For example, this is just basically a posting site, posting service, posting features for Facebook and Instagram. You add your Facebook account here. This here shows you some of the best offers on WordPlus and JVZoo Network. Page Builder helps you, gives you a fantastic, this is going to give you a fantastic page. You don't have to host it. All the hosts is included. These are basically squeeze pages, so it can help you make sales and build your list at the same time. So that's a great process. You can download the pages here. Let me see here. It's moving a little slowly, but it's still moving there. Well, let me move forward on that instead of downloading the page there. Okay, so traffic sources. So it has over 1,000 traffic sources you can tap into to start getting traffic immediately. Obviously to have an account with one of these, but you click and go to each one to post your link. Now this is the main part of the engine of the program, where it's going to multi-post to Facebook, your Facebook account, 3 different types of posts that it will do automatically for you. So that will help you make money, because it will automatically post your text, link, image, video, call to action button on Facebook for you. Because here's the automated section. So it's comment template, reply template, automation campaign, manage your campaign. So it will do all that for you automatically. So that's where the passive part comes in at. So it's definitely a benefit, because you don't want to spend all day long trying to post on Facebook. You can make money post on Facebook, but if you can automate it, you make a lot more money. And here's the Instagram feature app. So you can add your Instagram account. It will also post to you post on Instagram automatically. So that's how this makes money. Auto reply, campaign reports, hashtags, search. So this will definitely help you make money, because it has full training involve upgrades. So this will definitely help you make money. Anytime you're posting on Facebook, on Instagram, automatically on the schedule, commenting, it will always help to make you money. Now, how much you'll make, no one can give you this figure, whether it's $50 a day, $100, $500 a day. No one can give you a figure, but you can't depend on what's the site would always give you the best case scenario. So fastest results is making us 2,000 daily. Newbies getting instant results. Now that's realistic. Get instant results. If you post on Facebook, which I've done regularly, or Instagram on a regular basis, you will get results. Now the results will depend on the offer you send in, your ad copy, and this will definitely help you build your email list. So it has all the elements to help you start making money, and I believe it's pretty inexpensive. I believe it was at $17, and it comes with a 100-day money-back guarantee. So folks, this is a no-brainer. If you're not posting on Facebook regularly or Instagram, this is a way to get it done without hanging on your computer all day long, and you will always make more money, or make money, posting regularly on Instagram, particularly on Facebook. And this is a way to pay a one-time fee, and you'll be able to post as much as you want. Just be reasonable, because if you overpost, you'll get your account blocked. So if you post maybe 2 or 3, even 4 ads a day, an hour or 2 apart, you'll be safe. But the bottom line is that this will definitely help you make money, because it's going to auto post passively, so you don't have to live on your computer. Because if you sit all day long and post on Facebook every hour on groups that, money making internet marketing groups, you will make sales. But the problem is that, that will be your whole day. If you only make $20, $30, $40, $50, you do not want to spend all day posting on Facebook. But if you get a bot to do it, like this type of program, that's more than worth it, because you can post, let's say, 15, 20 ads a day without being on your computer, and make money on any reasonable product that's on WSO and JVZoo. So this is Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link if you're ready to get started to make money or build your list. As I said before, ignore the 1800. You're not going to get that realistically when you get started. It's a possibility. Now, if you have a number of different accounts, like Instagram accounts, you may be able to get a lot more out of this program. Realistically, I don't know if you could really activate more than one Facebook account. You probably can, but generally speaking, if you have other people's identity, if someone's letting you use their account, then you can have more than one Facebook account posting. But in terms of under your name, it's difficult, because Facebook will ask you for your ID if you have more than one account. So be careful with Facebook. Instagram is a whole nother story. You could probably have as many Instagram accounts as you want, and it's not really a problem. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below to get started. This is a solid program. Similar ones that have been around, but if you're not posting regularly on Facebook and Instagram, you're probably not making money daily, because those are the largest networks there is for making money online. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Thanks for reviewing my video, watching the video, and I'll see everyone in the next video opportunity internet marketing course. Don't forget to click the link below.